Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial we are going to see how to include special characters in your Google Docs using keyboard shortcut. Let's go ahead and include a blank document. By default, Google Docs have some predefined keyboard shortcuts which can be used to include special characters in your document. So to view all the existing predefined substitutions, go to the Tools menu and click on Preferences. Under Preferences you have something called Automatic Substitution. Within that, Google has made available quite a few automatic substitution library. So let's go ahead and try automatic substitution. Open bracket, C, close bracket, and then press spacebar on your keyboard to convert that into a copyright symbol. So let's go ahead and include or define our own automatic substitution. Click on Insert menu and go to Special Characters, and here in this Insert Special Characters box, let's choose this upwards quadruple arrow and the downwards quadruple arrow. Close this. Let's copy this upwards quadruple arrow. I'm going to use Ctrl C, then go to Tools, Preferences. Under the Automatic Substitution, I'm going to define a combination of keys that's going to include upwards quadruple arrow. So in the Replace section, I'm going to give it as UQA, that is upwards quadruple arrow, and within the With text box, paste that particular symbol by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl V, click on OK, delete all this. Upwards quadruple arrow, the shortcut we have defined is UQA, then press spacebar on your keyboard to convert that into the upwards quadruple arrow. Okay, let's go ahead and experiment with another special character. Go to Insert, Special Characters, and select downwards quadruple arrow. Close this. Let's copy this by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl C. Then go to Tools menu, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, in the Automatic Substitution, in the Replace box, type whatever shortcut you want. I'm going to give the abbreviation as a DQA, and then within this With text box, I'm going to paste that special symbol by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl V, click on OK, and type the keyboard shortcut DQA, then press spacebar on your keyboard to complete the process.